Good morning guys, in front of me is Pixel 9 Pro XL and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, mark more wallpapers, and now choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me go, for example, with cityscapes. Now just mark the particular one to see how it looks on your screen. Okay, so you can go through each picture and then decide which one you want to cover your screen with. So let me pick, for example, this one. Now mark set wallpaper. Just give it a couple of seconds to load. And finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, that's all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.